Obia Asante Kotoko supporter baako Western region. Na nnua wabro referee Nunoo Mensah no enye nnua ketwa. Because nnua na kyese enye edua o. Edua. Were raining huge curses on the referee. Na ni dua no wa ha me mu nkyiremu na ntiase ebre wo fia Dr. KK Sarpong, a former executive board chairman of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Wakasa nensema wakaye no emfa politics ho nan say oye politics na politics commentary ne de and as a political commentaries na oye ne ye emfa ho. However sa oye football commentary edda kwan so say yeba na yebetumu nchine because waye Kotoko pen ene all ka football ho asema na was inchirimu kakra eba enra abetamu a the first training for Krobia Asante Kotoko ukuma pema meba isabuto yemfa nkotwa loto na oye training ni wie na say before so be training no ena ode Kotoko media no atwetwe nkomo nsembe na abetamu a eka onu ananu mutum we reveal the reason why intia osa eba back to Asante Kotoko. Now the virtual seat challenge no Kotoko asa launch a ho nsem wa ha yedi ehia wo fia akra hasufuk mo de tembia manso no mo twi na se obeka se has for sign Nations FC player bi your friend no awua Mensah defender say I think say obrekum Chelsea na the gym na this particular player has a sign no omo terminate the contract no also mo man diskabi sikana anko we know ka say player no is on the verge of going to FIFA to report across folk and has for no a friend chira omu who are beg say we dey yesrewa enti eno nso nsem kakra ewa ha ye di Asia ewo fie ha say na pinkra me no ka say no odi Kumasi na pinkra e de nani a kire enkran currently as we speak na ewo enkran ye di enti na pinkra akopie enkran me de mu nkyiremu kakra e be hia ewo efia aha Super 24 TV me amedi dwumadi e go chairman no me di no Nazil Hamza ubetimi aframe the blogman aha Super 24 TV me patrol the obeya ba me say obebo subscribe button no so no about man no so na ya build it together obe join the Kotoko reaction no 0247 10 7260 0247 10 7260. That's the Kotoko reaction WhatsApp line. WhatsApp me a me do beto so me hu Asante Kotoko WhatsApp platform so e de say na atwetwe abubu atepoi Kotoko adwen kire eba from left to right center nipa ni bi wo Jamaica nipa ni bi wo US nipa ni bi wo Turkey nipa ni bi wo Nigeria Senegal na ye nyina no you this unified Asante Kotoko platform you also know and the date no 22nd of January 2026, the year of our Lord. Before I proceed with the stories, let's take this message as our light for our path. Don't just carry titles. Accomplish the task. Wow, hemeno. Minim adwuma a woye, minim abusua a wo, minim baabi a wo, na baabi a wo bia no, abodin no, yedin keke. When a one carry abodin keke without accomplished tasks, see amount abodin bia, make sure say obey ho adwuma. Enye say wo abodin no eda osuka. Now de nanam, oh me na me bosu ha, me na me bosu ha. Na bosu adwuma e wo so ye no waye. Enkura na didiem wo make sure say enkura no mu bonuses ne ade no watwia. Also your boss. So your boss de a boss abade e wo say enkura no settle omo. Make sure say what settle omo adwuma na ekoso accomplish the task. So don't just carry titles, but make sure you accomplish tasks. Madam Asibebre. Now Asante Kotoko yonko answer Asante Kotoko nsem na beba no. Unim meje aboafo ewo me channel yi so. Sa wo pese wo de wadwaton de ho nuoma eba na ye boho dawuru ma wa. Reach out to me. WhatsApp me. My reply is here. Number is 0247 107260. 0247 107260. We got on there. na ebi nso a uni adwatɔndeɛ bi a wobɛbɔ ho dawuro na wopɛ sɛ o sponsor me Super 24 TV no so na daa ne daa nyinaa no news no yɛkɔ so de ba wadaroma deɛ wobɛyɛ ne sɛ wobɛ WhatsApp me na waba mahu na afei you are taking it up from there. We are going to appreciate it so much because afuwe baby a pese ye adwuma no ekoduru no yenko a yentimi no credit e ba akopɛ ehia aboafo nti madaroma channel yi your subscribers no eko 17,000 nipa 17,000 ena wo so a muni yedi kaso bom no eti sa yenya nipa no mu enum kra mo beson asira onse nka ibetimi akoye nim kakra onse 17,000 a to say no almost subscribe and I say 16,000 sanka obia kra my 1 cedi a 16,000 Ghana cedis so it's madaroma momwa na channel yi tintim our Ghana any asante mamu pa because your social corporate responsibility which is Kotoko ne de no ho dwuma ene ye di ni ha kopem se Yesu Kristo mai to so mi no ababa madam asibebre yanko asante Kotoko nsem no Dr. KK Sarpong between 2010-2013 ana obeso Kotoko kai pa na obaye no obepeja Kotoko no. He came at a time na amanfo akoye jirigogo ama Bantima hene mo afri ho Bantima hene mo saba as IMC Bantima hene mo be serve open but osaba as IMC this time no mo koye no na otumfo appointed Dr. KK Sarpong. Dr. KK Sarpong ne beninti kwame banu akon ono so ne squad na ono mo ye Kotoko no list wo Yesu buka sem mo ena omo besuo ma omo bo omo modern under Dr. KK Sarpong. Kotoko saw success like MTN FA Cup. Kotoko won the league and Kotoko participated in Africa. Now under the KK Sarpong administration, KK Sarpong the policy be by near friend no ton net ton and I said ton. Now Dr. KK Sarpong policy or the buy na ton net ton. And I sent Jofobi akoye kuti abze Kotoko sika and Dr. KK Sarpong AD and all Wieska and Kotoko na osi ekwe nim and awotiti place and awotong and Dr. KK Sarpong afe 2013 and we be also na letter babon teze osi adwuma no onye bio with jai and all den krata e commentia and the ba ni say Dr. KK Sarpong ti bi anto adwuma no so bio and ne special aid which is Upokunti legend of the club yema Upokunti etuaso eno ne Dr. KK Sarpong abakosem kakra me de down wo enedue e super no so wakasa o se enne asema last na super America no Dr. KK Sarpong so ne me ya adwen o se enne ball na ye ball no Ghana fo no players na ye lack technique na de ni ho into World Cup na ye kono abrochefo no omo abroche omo ye training with better facilities no ho because World Cup na abroche ne yakobo yemfa omo mfra Ghana fo no ne yenko World Cup no eno ne Dr. KK Sarpong sema ohunu say sa player ne ye Ghana ni nko ano elsewhere no ni mbo a yenko fa no ne yemfa ne nka omo aye wo omo ho no yemfa omo nko Dr. KK Sarpong sema odeka ena na no referee na owi akotoko no so say football na Ghana no say asay because of bad management of the games, bad officiating in Eco Ghana football. Dr. KK Sarpong. Or say just all but or monitor also or Asem and go bet my bono modi am Asem about Premier League. Now so and I'm referees no crown no now or bono. For instance, now we are the Kotoko. Oh baby any good stars are referee could remove baby any ball draw no. If you no or say and on the Eco Ghana football Dr. KK Sarpong in Sema or the Ghana Albert Amwa or say or unfinished business with Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Waba back say Ghana Premier League or share or share I think 2 goals and sana Libya club for no eba abefa no eye nu nti a akonya ne ba se onko loan utusu Asante Kotoko se Asante Kotoko no obekọ akobo ni loan no abetamu a ede dis hansem we etudwo so sorry a messages the social media the WhatsApp no so oh sabra Kotoko anu nti a osaba Kotoko but yenyina ye Kotoko fo enye abetamu nti American asem we but me generalize no players no mo hwe abetamu na mo fa ntum ho Kotoko no ena yetima owo tema ena obi be se yansu yehia ne kakra because nanzi ni strikers abruchire na eye ya na mudiri mikase ye kolibia ye ko hehe hwi ni ho abetamu akọ ene ene o wasaba bag me menkase Kotoko hia abetamu a eche de abetamu hia Kotoko abetamu hia Kotoko more than Kotoko hia no because they say no Libya for the case obu ni kolo no ko mo to ne twene Libya kura bi ase a nka abetamu ano nka asisi nka owei enti plus na amo bo Kotoko ne has na mo contract na ebewe anase agent bi ko fa fucking deal bi ba amenka sorry to say fucking deal don't deal bi ba na ma adwi nyina di so meko for instance abetamu a membo de din amfanka se mo de ni bi just in the middle of the season and I offer the buy meko and I find ukoye nyane wasabe ukoye enye na Kotoko asabe fa wo se pe Kotoko abegui bisi place no ma fi Kotoko ni nyina mo kwa ya no ma nisa wo machi because kumase yede enti mo amo ho no na mo mfa ntum hofo na nse Peter Midwa kwa hwan mu nyina mo ho agent for the John fucking deals aba mo be ko 2 months ya ntim nka bio former Kotoko captain the same thing Akadas so no so Libya no call bisa se o wan e no na waba okobo division 1 no Ashanti Gold FC hona ze o ono so na nko ope Kotoko asabo but some more Kotoko na bija ya na mo promote mo be kosa hwan hono John contract bia as a sikanti amenka no kre sikananti but sikano enye se me sase mo maka buka se unuya nka abema nako me say enye se krum ha na wote no yentua wo ka wo yetwa wo ka enti na emo wani mmere pii se bia Kotoko na wo bo no yentwa wo ka bosome so a yentwa wo ka eno na Libya deal but be me ho prem se me ko but at least o ha no one jia wo de more than 5,000 Ghana cedis 6,000 Ghana cedis wo de 7,000 uko 8,000 and ne wo te Ghana na wo je aketwa between 5,000 to 8,000 a wo hia ye kan hia for more Ghana on ka ho we got you but enkoda yi agent boy ko fa de ba no mo da omo a no mo ko so and some Maghreb countries so omo no 2 days 3 days no mo saki coach na wo football career na yam comme ça into way a general advice na me dey mo ho no simple enyansa fo mfam tu ye ho fo haso folk for pa awua Mensah chose mani nko FIFA haso folk na pa awua Mensah chose mani nko FIFA na Asem no mo beka na nisika 150,000 yen na aka no obetua ama no so 250 million nso tiska no obetua ama na player na se what next week ombeshia and only information Mensah gather from Accra to folk as well. The hard-working IMC chairman of Kumasi Asante Kotoko Accra currently as we speak. And just sponsorship Asem. On say no official confirmation, but I say abet amoesi can say finally abetum. Na adiwe me say Ghana football we see twem. Sebi it has outlived its purpose. What will play a mommy? player na waton ama me no uji sika o uji usika nyina player na ba me ho maton player no kwa aburuchiri a o si sika me ton player no kwa aburuchiri no me ma percentage bi o see me fra aburuchiri Chelsea for ne Spain or ne ade na mabusa sa mra dwomra we la so ye adwuma wa Ghana nkwa na dwomra we be sa so ye adwuma Olympics for ne say o mo pe hwan on transfer fee Olympics for no o mo pe on transfer fee it is in an epic ground kan o mu kwa kushi akochirichiri ma cha mo se sika ne se etete e mo sumu die ne mo nje na Olympics for no samunye greedy aska bia wo say Kotoko de mo mi also mo jitum no mo twa asem so ni kwan so mo betwe asem we kra because it doesn't make sense to me, to be real honest. Player no turn we are ju sika yanko ye me dey any onward transfer fee ya fra papa bi daache hene or western region na western region hono no Oye Kumasa Sante Kotoko Circles chairman ewo Western region. Osi referee Nunoo Mensah. Ball na obedi a oje jirigogo disallowed goal no eti Kumasa Sante Kotoko clean goal na disallowed. Osi say mistake and a referee ye ya oni ni Asem. Nemom no. Sa referee bedi ball no ofa no ho adwen se oba beye bibi etia Kotoko anase nkopanyifo bi ni na kasa se onji bibi ntia Kotoko anase before the game ofa the plans omo agree bibi a ewiase asase bi ode ne nan besi su bia no onya hoto eno ne da che hene nsema oka iti we no eye conditional riabo